Yes, hello everyone.
Hello.
This is Camille and Olivier.
Olivier.
We'd like to say that we're a bit fed up with this whole
Fed up.
image prejudice thing about I am a French actress, he's a French lover.
French lover.
I mean, we've got to. I'm of course, obviously, I'm a sex symbol.
Sex symbol.
Yeah, and he's like totally hot, but
Very hot.
Yeah, but with just like normal person. I mean, sometimes we're scared.
Normal.
Sometimes we're yeah.
We need to move beyond prejudices.
Yeah, we need to laugh and just be normal and to be loved for what we are,
We would like our American friends to love us for what we are.
Yes, that's the point. I mean, okay, so off with the beauty thing, off with all the
Superficiality.
absolutely superficiality, and welcome to Paris, the city of
Welcome
love.
to Paris. The French lover. Kisses.
Kisses to all.